This episode of Permatex Pro-Tips is all about achieving a permanent muffler and tailpipe repair. Permatex muffler and tailpipe repair kits provide an all-in-one repair solution. These kits come with everything you need for a heavy-duty, high-temperature, permanent repair that is capable of repairing holes 2 times larger than traditional repair solutions. In this video, we will show a muffler repair. Now, almost all of these steps can be duplicated when using our tailpipe repair kit. But don't worry, we'll let you know what steps differ for each repair. You'll want to work on a cool muffler, so turn off the motor and let it cool down. Do not apply the products while the motor is running. The most important step to achieving a lasting repair is preparing the surface. Start by thoroughly cleaning away the dirt and loose rust in the area to be repaired. If you have access to a wire brush, it can be a great option here. Using the supplied sandpaper, smooth the area around the hole. Using the provided alcohol wipe, rub the buffed area and give the application surface a final cleaning. Next, for small holes less than 1/4 inch, squeeze a generous amount of putty to completely cover the hole or crack. Use the putty spreader for an even coat. For holes larger than 1/4 inch and up to 2 inches, cut a patch of reinforcing wire screen large enough to cover the hole. Using the putty spreader, apply a small amount of putty around the hole and secure the wire screen in place. Then squeeze a generous amount of putty to completely cover the screen using the putty spreader. Then let sit for 30 to 45 minutes. If you want to speed up the drying time, use a heat gun or hair dryer. Again, do not run the motor until the repair is complete. Now, move on to applying the bandage over the dried putty. Start by removing the red backing from both sides of the clear bandage. As you wrap the repair area, make sure that you overlap the edge of the bandage by at least 1/2 inch. If extra protection is needed, overlap the edge by 1 inch. Overlap the wrap as many times as possible, making sure you have at least 3 wrap layers over the damaged area. The next step is to support the bandage with metal strapping. Cut to the required length with tin snips and secure the nut and bolt with a screwdriver. For tailpipe repairs, the metal clamp will provide additional reinforcement. The temperature-resistant bandage seals itself with the heat from the vehicle's exhaust. The final step is to let the repair set and cure overnight. If you need a faster return to service, let the vehicle idle for 20 to 30 minutes. For over a century, Permatex has been bringing innovative products to the automotive aftermarket. Made for the professionals, by the professionals. Stay tuned for more Permatex Pro Tips.